Hey Bidu, today I am going to show you how to use filter pane in Power BI and more specific to use the functionality of filtering top in items in Power BI. So let's jump on my screen and I'll show you how. So in today's example, I have created two tables. In one table, I have customer-wise shipping cost. The other table, I have customer-wise profit. So my requirement is to filter top five customer name as per the shipping cost in the first table, and in my second table, my requirement is to filter the bottom five customer name by profit. So this is my requirement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this filter pane as a first step. So once I expand this filter pane, I have a lot of options. So I have to select the table wherein I need to filter as a first step. And once I select the table, I get a lot of options here. So in the custom, I want to select the customer name. So I am gonna go click the drop down here in the customer name. So in the drop down, I have various filter types. One is advanced filtering, the second is basic filtering, and this particular requirement we need to select top n filtering. So once I select this top in, I get to select parameters for this particular option. So first thing is that I have to select this parameter, top or bottom. So as I want to select top five, I am selecting top here, and the parameter is that I need top five. So I'm gonna select top five, and second thing is that by value. This is my metrics. So what metrics I need to filter by. So in this particular case, I have to select shipping cost as my parameter. For example, I'm gonna go here and shipping cost. I'm just gonna drag this and drop it in by value. Once I do this, apply filter, I got top five customer by shipping cost. Uh, this can also be by any parameter in the table. For example, I can also select profit here and apply filter here, right? So here I just need to select profit and drop in my visualization. Just select profit and drop here. Once I do this, I got to select top five by profit, right? My second thing is that I need to, in this particular table, I need to filter bottom five by profit. So here what I'm going to do, the system remains the same, right? So I have to go and select customer name, and here in the basic filtering, I have to select top n filtering, and the one change which I am doing is select bottom here. So I'm going to select bottom five, and what is the metric I want to do it by is by profit. Once I do this, I'm getting bottom five values here. So I got top five here, bottom five here, and now I'm going to sort this down at the relative order. Yeah. So in two tables, I got top five customers by profit and bottom five customers by profit, and this is what I wanted to give a demo on today. And if you like my videos, click like button. For more such videos, click subscribe button. Thanks.